We know it's hot out there, so let's celebrate this 4th of July with an ice cold beverage. We're gonna make you a frozen pina colada, but we're gonna make it all American style. America! For this recipe, you will need rum, pina colada mix, pineapple juice, grenadine, and blue carousel. I say we get started. So this is a blender drink, so first grab your blender and we're going to be making everything in here to start. We're going to start with our rum, 2 ounces. So grab your jigger, 2 ounces of rum. Two ounces of pina colada mix. And we're going to open our pineapple juice, and I didn't open it yet because I wanted to show you how we do it whenever you have it in a can like this. So when you have a can, it separates, so you always want to make sure that you shake it. And then we're going to open it. Can anybody tell me what this is? They don't come like this anymore, but this is how you used to use these bad boys. Ta-da! So we're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. It'll work. We're going to use 2 scoops of ice for this recipe. So now that we've got everything, our mixture in the blender, we're going to go ahead and go blend it. Here we go. So now we've got our mixture in the blender all set up. We're ready to blend. 3, 2, 1. When you're blending, you want to make sure that you get all the ice chunks really finely blended. It's supposed to be kind of a creamy texture. So that's the texture that you want. So before we pour it into our glass, I'm going to teach a quick lesson about density. So grenadine is heavier than blue carousel, and since we're going to be making a red, white, and blue, we're going to put the grenadine in first because it's heavier. So we've got our grenadine in the glass. We're going to do probably like 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine. Tilt your glass and pour your pina colada in there. Save a little room on top. And then you add your blue carousel. And there you've got your all-American pina colada. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell. Get notifications every time we post a video. Stay tuned for more delicious drinks on Cooking with Friends. Just a quick tip for whenever you're storing your pineapple juice after you've opened the can, do not put this can in the fridge. It will oxidize and become toxic. Make sure you pour out the pineapple juice first.